fell in love at that shop having an attached shed to the house, so I could keep my yard tools and the dust collector out there for kind of noise and all that. In that shop, I didn't have any return, and so it would suck all the air out of the garage, and it was gone. Like if I had it air conditioned down to 75 when it was really hot out, it was shocking how you could just feel the heat rising. Like in seconds, it went from 75 to 88. You know, just that quick.
Wow.
In my new shop, I did the same thing. I have the attached shed to the shop, and I actually went and did some research and found out. I think Oneida, I called them, and they have the math on how big of a return you need to equalize back in. So it's a fairly good sized cutout. It does make it louder. I think it's maybe 2 feet by 5 feet. But now I don't lose everything. It just comes back in the.
Okay. So basically you have the outside insulated as well. So it's just it's blowing the air back in. Okay.
Just as insulated as my shop. So it just kind of holds everything in there.
That's good to know. I've always heard people say it, but I've never had anybody with the experience to say, yeah, it sucks the air conditioner right out.
It's like a magic trick. Just like you feel like this bead of sweat coming up on your face.
Yeah. And I mean, you said in the video that if you after you did it for a while that you would, comment on the changes. Anything that you would change based off of like your piping that you did with the hard piping and stuff?
I actually reused almost all that piping on my new shop. I think I did a pretty good job. I don't want to be too boastful, but
well, this is the time.
The automated blast gates were awesome.
Yeah.
Sorry, my wife's been gone for a week, and my dog just saw her when she got home. So you're gonna hear a dog barking.
Yeah, you're fine.
But the blast gates have been awesome. In that shop, I had my drill press connected to the dust collection, and I don't in this shop, and I really miss that.
Really?
Mm-hmm. I was just making a mess today on my drill press. So no, it's pretty simple. One of the things I did in my new shop that I freaking love is I cut about 10 feet out. So I trenched to my table saw. I brought power and air and everything underground. So I don't have a big post in the middle of my shop anymore.
Yeah. I was talked out of that. I got a pipe that runs across my floor in between that and my bandsaw, and I wish I would have trenched it. Yeah.